Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this vlog, it's a cleaning haul because I went into town yesterday and I popped into Savers and I got quite a bit of a bargain. For £4.81 I got these beauties. So I picked up an elbow grease that came in at 89p. The Pink Stuff Star Drops, that came in at 99p. So yeah, this Dettol spray, I love this all-in-one disinfectant spray. That came in at 99p. And this Carpet Fresh, the Orchard Fragrance, love it. That was only 189. And I got these free Minkies. So yeah, these Minkies I got for £6.99. Thought it was an absolute bargain. And I picked up one of these for... So yeah guys, if you're ever in your local town or whatever and you've got a Savers, then go in there because you will find a bargain on all these cleaning products. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Sorry it was a bit short, but I just thought I would jump on and show you my cleaning haul. I hope you enjoyed this video guys, and I'll catch up with you soon. See you later. Bye bye.